Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. In this video I will show you how to manage in your SIM cards placed in your Galaxy M15. So to do that, slide up and go to settings here, go to connections here, and there is a SIM manager. And as you see, we have here a SIM card which is inserted on our phone. And in this case, under your name of the SIM1 and SIM2, you have your number to calling of your SIM card. You can disable it or turn off every of your SIM cards, and you can enable it by turning on every of SIM cards if you wish to connect only with one card, but you have inserted the both. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!